And what we're going to do is count the different names. So we're going to go here and say count. It's going to give us number 19. And we already know that to be true is because it's 19 here. So let's do it again here. And again, we're counting the data that represents the number of names. Okay, let's go here, insert, click on count, click OK, and we want it to count from here to here. We'll count the last names. And again, it brings us back 19. So that's how count works. It counts the numbers that are in the cells. It counts the information that's in the cells. Let's go back to count. Counts the numbers in the cell range that contains the number. Okay.